Hello, Chilen. Hi, how are you? I hope everything is fine. Today, I have brought here one question. Sine 30 degree equals to 1 by 2. Its value is 1 by 2. Why and how? Okay. How it comes and why it comes 1 by 2, I am going to show you here. Okay. For that, first of all, you should know there are altogether 6 trigonometric function. Okay. In place of this theta, we can write beta also. Okay. Yes. And other symbols you can use here. Sine theta. Then next one is cos theta. Next one is tan theta. Okay. Next one is cot theta. Next one is sec theta. And last one there is cosec theta. There are altogether 6 trigonometric functions. Okay. And we know their ratios. Sine theta ratio p by h, and cos theta ratio there is b by h. This means perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is base by hypotenuse. Okay. And tan theta means perpendicular by base, and cot theta means base by perpendicular. Okay. Sec theta means hypotenuse by base. Okay. And cosec theta means hypotenuse by perpendicular. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay. Where P denotes perpendicular, S denotes hypotenuse, okay, and B denotes base, okay. And look here, for the sine 30 degree equals to 1 by 2, we need to construct one equilateral triangle, okay. This is A, B, C. Its all 3 sides are given equal, okay. That means we can show the measurement here also, or we now here we can suppose AB equals suppose AA, okay, and this also A, and this also A units, okay. These all 3 sides are equal, okay. In place of A we can suppose any other variables also, and we know that the each angle, okay, each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Okay, this is the property of equilateral triangle. Okay, this angle also will be 60 degree. Okay, each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. And now when we draw here from A to, okay, A to BC, okay, from A to the BC, draw here one perpendicular whose name, let's put here D. This perpendicular name is AD. That means it is making here 90 degree. This angle is formed here 90 degree. Okay. When you draw AD perpendicular to BC, here will be formed 90 degree. And look at children, here we have drawn, okay, AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, AD is perpendicular to BC. That means here angle ADB, okay, angle ADB is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. If you know this angle is 90 degree, then this angle plus this angle plus this angle, it will be, now look here, we can find out like this. This angle will be 90 plus 60, 150 and 150, and this must be here, this angle, okay. this angle will be here 30 degree. Okay, so this is 30 degree, and we know that here AD AD is perpendicular to BC, that's why AD bisects, okay? This AD bisects BC. AD bisects BC, that's why here will be BD equals to CD, okay? These two parts will be equal, that's why it will be here. Total part it was A, then its half it will be here A by 2, okay? This part will be A by 2 and this part also will be A by 2. Okay, now let's take the help of this right angle triangle only, ADB, right here in right angled, okay, triangle, in right angle triangle ABD or ADB, okay, A, okay, DB, right? If this angle is 30 degree taken, okay, now right here, as we know, sine theta equals to, here we have taken sine theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse, okay, and in place of theta we are taking this 30 degree, we are taking 30 degree reference angle, okay, this angle we are taking angle of reference, okay. If this angle is taken reference, then its opposite side, this is known as perpendicular, okay. Then perpendicular is BD, okay, perpendicular is BD, and here hypotenuse is, look here, 90 degree opposite side is hypotenuse, that is AB, okay, right here AB, right? Then now we can write here, what is the value of BD? Just now we have written that BD is half of this A, that means A by 2. In place of BD, right there A by 2 and whole upon, and hypotenuse AB is given there A, okay. Then this A and this A we can call by 1, okay, right? A cancel, then they remain. Now therefore we have to write here sine 30 degree equals to 1 by 2, okay. This is the value of sine 30 degree, which is equals to 1 by 2, like this, okay. Here comes sine 30 degree equals to 1 by 2, okay. This is the answer of why and how sine 30 degree equals to 1 by 2. For 30 degree, this is the perpendicular, okay, and hypotenuse remains same, and this is the reference angle, okay. For this 30 degree, its opposite angle is here perpendicular, okay. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular is given there A by 2, that is BD, A by 2, and divided by hypotenuse is A cancel, and they remain here 1 by 2. It is the method, okay, how sine 30 degree comes 1 by 2. That's why we remember it, sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Thank you very much.